Have you ever got confused with terms like expression, equation, function, and formula? Let us understand in simple terms with some examples. Expression is simply a mathematical form to express a mathematical statement or a mathematical concept or a calculation. Expression is written using numbers, variables, and operators. If no mathematical form or no expression, we have to write lengthy statements or paragraphs. How do we express sum of 6 and 5? Just simply say 6 plus 5. Similarly, how do we express cost of 35 apples? Simply say 35a. Similarly, how do we express cost of 12 books and 5 pence? You are right. Just 12b plus 5p. Expression is the base for all formulae, for all equations and functions. We understood what an expression is. Now let's see what an equation is. When two or more expressions are equated, I repeat, when two or more expressions are equated, it's called an equation. Well, what does it mean? Let's see. The cost of two cars, three bikes, and $50,000 sums up to 1 million, and cost of a house equals 1 million. What do we say? We say both are equal. If we write them in expression form and equate it, it's called an equation. See another example. If the cost of 6 apples is same as cost of 10 candies, both are equal. If we write them in expression form and equate it, it's called an equation. Few examples on the screen. If more than two expressions are equated, it's called a chain equation. In general, the goal of an equation is to solve the variables. Now, let's see what a function is. A function is something that defines a rule. An equation becomes a function when it defines a rule. Let us see some examples. If a person eats an apple, he can make 100 steps. The function of apple is 100 steps. If we put 1 liter petrol, it gives 15 miles mileage. The function of petrol is giving mileage. One of the functions of radius of a circle is to find the area of the circle. Function is represented as f of x. It takes one input and gives only one output. X is an independent variable and the output is dependent on x. Few examples on the screen. Let us now understand what a formula is. A formula is a mathematical representation of a rule. It's useful in mathematical and scientific theories. If a function is true in all cases, it becomes a formula. One of the famous formulae we know is E equals to mc square.